If the parking spaces are located along the roadway, it is always safer to exit the spot moving forward. When reversing out, perform every maneuver slowly and very carefully so you don't create a dangerous situation on the road. First, let's look at exiting a parking space using forward gear. In tight spots, there is no point in turning the steering wheel right away and trying to drive out, because your rear end will hit the car on your right. It's also a bad idea to move forward first and only then turn the steering wheel. You will hit the car on your right and the car in front of you. In our example, our car is red and we will be exiting to the right. If you need to exit to the left, simply repeat the same steps in the opposite direction. So, how do you get out of a tight parking space? Let's begin. Step 1. Turn the steering wheel to the left and pull as close as possible to the gray car. Step 2. Now turn the wheel fully to the right and move forward out of the parking spot as far as the space allows. Keep in mind that you may not have enough room to exit immediately. This is completely normal, so don't worry. Step 3. Straighten your wheels, shift to reverse, and pull back just a bit, getting close to the car behind you. Since you've just moved away from it, there should be enough space. Step 4. Turn the steering wheel fully to the right again and start driving forward in an arc so that you pass as close as possible to the car in front of you. If you don't do this, you risk hitting the car on your right with your rear end. You must maintain a visible gap between your car and the yellow car in order to exit safely without touching it. Congratulations! By following these steps, you'll be able to get out of even the tightest spots without any trouble. Now let's move on to reversing out. Personally, I find this a bit easier because you can clearly see the dimensions of your car in the side mirrors. Keep in mind, in tight spaces, turning the steering wheel immediately and trying to pull out makes no sense. You will hit the car on your left. It's also not a good idea to reverse first and only then turn the wheel, because you'll hit the car on the left and the one in front of you. Technically, you could do it, but you'd have to drive forward and backward many times. So let's consider a method that lets you exit a tight parking space in just a few steps. This time, we will exit to the left and then continue to the right. If you need to go the other way, simply reverse the instructions. Let's start. Step 1. To exit the parking spot with just a few maneuvers, you must get as close as possible to the car on your left. To do this, reverse in a straight line. Turn the steering wheel to the left, shift to drive, and move forward toward the left car. Then straighten your wheels and position your car parallel. Step 2. Shift to reverse again, turn the steering wheel fully to the left, and slowly back up. As soon as the right side of your car approaches the car on the right, turn the wheel back and straighten your wheels. Use your left mirror to control the distance to the car on your left. If you do everything correctly, you will not touch it. Then turn the steering wheel fully to the left again and continue reversing until the rear of your car is very close to the obstacle behind you. In this case, another vehicle. Step 3. If you've done everything right, you will now have enough room to fully exit the parking spot. Shift to drive, turn the steering wheel all the way to the right, and drive out completely. Congratulations! You have successfully exited the parking space. Now practice this on quiet roads. Subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos, drive safely, and take care.